Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I believe there is already tons and tons of the new 5KX GMT watch floating around on YouTube. So I'm not gonna really drag on this video, hopefully. Well, if you are watching this video, I would try to give you another perspective of this watch. Well, what kind of perspective you may ask? Well, it's a perspective from a guy with a small 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. Right, so let's open up the watch. So it comes with this new Seiko 5 box, which are really very common. And ta-da! This is the watch. Alright, so the version that I got here, it's a what you call a black and a blue bezel. I think the YouTube or the whole watch community is calling it a blueberry and not a Batman. Alright, okay, so yeah, let's peel off some stickers and see if this watch will fit my small 6-inch wrist. If you're interested to know about the price, it retails for about 2,155 Malaysian ringgit. This is the reference number SSK003K1. Okay, so yeah, let's try to open up the stickers. Okay, so I guess that's about it. That are the only stickers that is on the watch. So the golden question. Well, before that, just bear with me for a while. Just take a quick look at some of the dimensions. I believe it comes at a 42.5 millimeters case dimension, but it shares the same SKX style case design where the lug to lug distance is pretty small. But this time around, I think this one is slightly thicker because it houses the new 4R34 GMT movement. So it's an automatic GMT movement. So it's an in-house Seiko in-house automatic GMT mechanical movement. Well, it's not a true GMT per se, but it's kind of like, what some of the guys are calling it an office GMT, where instead of moving the hour hand independently, you are actually moving the GMT hand. But I think it's okay, it's still a good watch.
A few moments later.
Moment of truth. Okay. Do you think it fits my small wrist okay? I think so. Of course, it's not a small watch. Anyhow, it's still a big watch, 42.5 millimeters. But there is, visually no lug overhang. I'm not sure if it's really showing up in a camera, because usually cameras, the lens and all that, it changes the perspective a little bit. But, from the naked eye, it's still a very great size. There's no lug overhang. I'm not sure I can show it there. It conforms to the wrist quite nice. But of course, it's no small watch. So if you are interested on one of these and you have a small wrist, 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters, well, I can safely say that it can fit your wrist no problem. Okay. Alright, so I guess that's it. I will be doing a full review for this video, for this watch. If you're interested to know more, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on that video when it is out. Well, I will just catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.